Q13. Which of the following is the extension of Microsoft Word files? RRB NTPC the 23rd of July 2021 evening, docs b Moword c decox d docked. Sol. Docs is the extension of Microsoft Word files. Microsoft Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. It was first released on October 25, 1983, under the name Multi-Tool Word for Xenix systems. Q14. Which of the following is called binary file format and used by the older versions of MS Word, such as MS Word 97-2003? SSC Delhi Police the 1st of December 2020 afternoon. Docemp beak.doc c docx docs. Sol. Beak.doc is called binary file format and used by the older versions of MS Word, such as MS Word 97-2003. Q15. The docs file extension was first introduced in which of the following? SSC Delhi Police the 8th of December 2020 morning A. MS Word 2007 B. MS Word 2010. C. MS Word 2013 D. MS Word 2016. Sol. A docs file is a Microsoft Word document that typically contains the text. The format was introduced as a new standard for text documents with the release of Word version 2007. The latest version of Microsoft Office is Office 2019, which is available for both Windows PCs and Macs. Q Solar. In MS Excel 2007, a file is saved with the ______ extension by default. SSC Delhi Police the 10th of December 2020 morning XLXB is C XLXD XLSX. Sol. D. In Microsoft Excel, workbooks are saved as Excel workbooks XLSX by default. The XLS file extension is used for files saved as Microsoft Excel worksheets. XLS files use a binary interchange file format to store spreadsheet data and are proprietary to Microsoft. Q17. A document saved in MS Word 2013 has a _______ extension. SSC Delhi Police the 16th of December 2020 afternoon .oxb docs c.rtfd docs. Sol. D. Docs is an extension in Microsoft Word document 2013 for saved documents. Q18. The type of a file in a computer can be identified by the ________________________ RRB NTPC CBT though the 17th of January 2017 morning folder name B file size C file path D file extension. Sol. D type of a file in a computer can be identified by the file extension. Some common window file extension are BMP Windows Bitmap, .doc Microsoft Word for Windows, .htm or HTML web page source text, .jpg or JPEG graphic, .mdbms access database, .midi sound, .png portable network graphics, .ppt or pptx PowerPoint etc. Q19.css file extension usually refers to what kind of file? RRB NTPC the 22nd of April 2016 afternoon image file. B. System file. C. Animation file. D. Hypertext related file. Sol. D.css file extension usually refers to a hypertext related file. A CSS file is a cascading style sheet CSS file used to format the contents of a web page. Practice questions. Q1. Which of the following is the file extension of window audio file? .bin b.dll c docs d.at. Q2. Which of the following is the file extension name of bitmap file? .bmp b.bpm c.bin d.bpf. Q3. Which of the following is the file extension name of flash compatible video files? fcvfb.flv c.gifd.fcv. Q4. Which of the following is the file extension name of MPEG-4 audio file? mup3b mup4 cm5a dm4a. Q5. Which of the following is the file extension name of a Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow? A. PPSXB, PPSLC, PPSD, DPPSS. Q6. Which of the following is the file extension name of a Shockwave Flash file? A. .swfb, .sffc, swafd.sff. Q7. Which of the following is the file extension name of a compressed file? A. .zipb, .docc, .pdfd.swf. Q8. Which of the following is not a compressed type format file extension? A. .7zb.zipc.tar, gsd.dmg. Q9. Z file extension represents which type of file extension's name? A. Data B compressed, C audio D image. Q10. Which of the following is not an executable file extension name? A. .batb.com, C.wsfd.zip. Q.11. Which of the following is the file extension of the Windows script file? A. wsb.wsfc.wfsd.fws. Q12. File extensions is a part of a file name and can be removed by _________________________________________ A. Renaming the file, B. Deleting the file, C. Editing the file, D. Modifying the file. Q13. What is the extension of the .jar file name? A. Java access file, B. Java archive file, C. Java access format, D. None of the above. Q14. Which of the following is not the font format of file extension file name? A. .otb.ttfc.fontdmup3. Q15. What is the extension of the .phone file name? A. Generic font file, B. Font file, C. General font file, D. All of the above. Q16. Which of the following is not the image file format of file extensions? A. JPEG, B.png, C.gif, D.mdb. Q17. What is the file extension name of Adobe Illustrator file? A. I.B.AF, C.echo, D. ARQ18. What is the extension file name of the .svg file? A. Scalable vector graphics file, B. Scalable vector game file, C. Scalable vector graphics format, D. Scalable vector game format. Q19. What is the extension file name of the .css file? A. Cascading system sheet file, B. Cascading style system file, C. Cascading style sheet format, D. Cascading style sheet file. QBs. What is the extension file name of .odp file? A. OpenOffice Impress presentation file, B. OpenOffice Impress presentation format, C. OpenOffice image presentation file, D. OpenOffice image presentation format. Q21. Which of the following is not the programming files by file extensions? A. .cpp, B. Cs, C. Java, D. IQ22. Swift is which type of file extension format? A. Image, B. Programming, C. Media, D. Presentation. Q23. .key is which type of file extension format? A. Image, B. Programming, C. Media, D. Presentation. Q24. .psd is which type of file extension format? A. Image, B. Programming, C. Media, D. Presentation. Q25. .otf is which type of file extension format? A. Image, B. Programming, C. Media, D. Font. Q26. .bat is which type of file extension format? A. Image, B. Programming, C. Media, D. Executable. Q27. Which of the following is spreadsheet file formats by file extension? A. .ods, B. .bat, C. .doc, D. .ppt. Q28. Which of the following is the file extension name of .ods? A. OpenOffice Calc spreadsheet file, B. OpenOffice Calc system file, C. OpenOffice Calc spreadsheet format, D. None of the above. Q29. Which of the following is not the System-related file formats and file extensions. A .sysb, .tmp, c.cfg, .csqts. Which of the following is the file extension name of .dmp? A. Data file, B. Dump file, C. Disk file, D. Drive file. Q. ICTs. Which of the following is a file extension of the hypertext markup language? A. HTML, B. .htm. C. .html, D. Both A and B. Q32. Which of the following is the file extension name of a portable document format file? A. .odf, B. .ppt, C. .pdf, D. .pfd. Q33. What is the extension file name of the .asp file? A. Active server page font, B. Active system page file, C. Active server page file, D. Archive server page file. Answer key 1 D2 3 B4 D5 6 7 8 D9 B10 D11 B12 13 B14 D15 16 D17 18 19 D20 21 D22 B23 D24 25 D. 26 D27 28 29 D30 B31 D32 C33 C.